Hi, good morning, friends. How are you today? I hope you are doing awesome. Friends, today we are going to do some exercises. We want to do bowling. Do you know bowling? Or do you have bowling toys, friends? Yeah, bowling is like this, friends. So today, to do our exercise, what do we need is bowling toys. But if you don't have it, you can prepare a ball. You can use your own ball or maybe the one from school. And you can prepare your battle to be the bowling pin. If you use your battle, maybe you need to prepare 6 battles. So first, let's arrange your bowling pin or your battles like this, friends. Bapak Ibu, kami minta bantuannya untuk menyiapkan mainan bowling anak atau menyiapkan bola dan 6 botol plastik kosong. Kemudian botol ditata seperti berikut. After that, move a little bit backward from the bowling pin or your battles so you have enough space to throw the ball. And now let's try to throw the ball and drop the bowling pins. And if you can drop all the bowling pins, let's say strike. You can try several times until you can make it, friends. Oke? Silakan Bapak Ibu bisa memotivasi anak-anak untuk dapat mencoba menjatuhkan pin bowling atau botol yang telah disiapkan. Oke, friends, you can practice to play bowling with your mom or dad. See you, friends, and have fun.